Kate Middleton and Charles health updates shared by emotional Sarah Ferguson after own cancer battle. Sarah Ferguson, the Duchess of York, joined Good Morning Britain on Wednesday to give an update on both her own health as well as the King and Princess of Wales after the royal family had a double cancer scare. An emotional Sarah Ferguson provided the nation with an update on the health of King Charles and Kate Middleton when she appeared on Good Morning Britain today. The Duchess of York has faced her own brave battle with cancer, while the Princess of Wales and the King recently revealed they were undergoing treatment for the disease. Meanwhile, Fergie was asked to address rumours that her ex-husband and close friend Prince Andrew is downsizing from the Royal Lodge. As well as giving a cheery update on the late Queen's corgis, responding to host Susanna Reid's health inquiry, she revealed, "All these years I've been thinking, am I good enough? Am I this? Am I that? Do I get my finances right? Do I do this?" And actually suddenly now with a mastectomy and then with malignant melanoma, every single day, it's not a wake-up call, it's now a new normal. She added, "You can never say you're cancer-free, but you can say that I'm doing well, Susanna, and I'm very lucky, but I really am determined. Honestly, 1.2 mammograms are not being picked up. The people are not going for their mammograms, they're not being tested. They need to be tested, they can be tested, and don't be frightened." In response to the Duchess's words, Susanna replied, "I had been avoiding it because I was worried, and it wasn't the painful experience that I had in my head that it was, so thank you. It was all clear, thank goodness." Sarah Ferguson has praised the King and Kate Middleton for their recent efforts in supporting Cancer Research UK, saying, "I'm so proud of the King going to CRUK, the Cancer Research UK, and becoming the royal patron and going out there and talking to all these people because it gives everybody that wonderful feeling that they are being listened to, and I thought that was very brave of him to do that. The lovely Princess Catherine doing the video was so brave. I think family unity is an extraordinary thing, and I'm honestly just so proud, and I just send them lots of love and lots of support." When quizzed by co-host Martin Lewis about the King's request for Prince Andrew and herself to relocate from the Royal Lodge to the much smaller Frogmore Cottage, Sarah responded, "Well, you know it's not a Debbie Downer. It's life in the fast lane. I'm a guest for a start. I am a very lucky guest and a very comfortable guest, thank you very much. But I tend not to get involved in brothers' discussions, and I think that's the best, most safe place to be. Let the brothers discuss it between themselves, and I keep it like that." The Duchess shared a touching insight into her private conversations with Queen Elizabeth before her passing. Appearing on ITV's Loose Women, she revealed, "Just before the Queen died, Queen Elizabeth, the late Queen, she said, 'Sarah, just being yourself is enough and it's good enough,' and as soon as she said that, I walk on and talk to you guys and you can ask me anything you like because I am okay now. I have done my apprenticeship of life at 64. Following such heartening words from Her Majesty, the Duchess added, "I now sort of feel as though, wow, she said that myself is good enough, and I thought she was one of the finest people I had ever met in my entire life and a legend, an icon, and I love her, and of course, I have the corgis every day. They are fantastic."